Okay, I've got some USB Type-C cables, version 2.0, as you can see there. Really nice. 4 different pieces, 4 different lengths, and they are made by Haribol, as you can see there, and provided by Dongguan Lontion Electronic in China. So go check the links down below in the description text where you can buy this, and I will show later on in this video how you can charge your USB Type-C products, for example latest Android phones and so on, and you can also charge the MacBook with these cables because it's compatible with Type-C, USB Type-C. So let's start by unboxing and see how they look, and then later on we test to charge different products with these cables. Really nice package. I like that. Very good packaging for just cables, I think. So very high quality packaging. And as you can see here on the back side, it's compatible with USB C. And here is the different length and so on the cables. So here we have 4 different USB Type-C cables. Let's start with this. Whoa, really long. Very, very long. My guess is that it's over 2 meters long, so this is nice. And here you have the USB Type-C connection, the USB Type-C plug, and here you have the normal USB plug. So this is very high quality. It's white, matches your Apple Macbook, for example, and it feels very good in your hand. The quality feels very nice. So this is absolutely high quality cables, I'm sure of it. Really nice. And here we have another cable. Whoa, let's see. Really long, this one too. My guess is around 2 meters. And here we have the connections, as you can see, USB Type-C and a normal USB plug. The next cable is shorter. Very short. That's nice because you need that sometimes. About half a meter or so. And here we have the USB Type-C and the USB. Feels really nice. Really nice. And here we have another shorter cable. I think about the same size. Half a meter or so. And here we have the USB Type-C port plug and the USB plug. Really nice quality, really nice, I can assure you. It's a really nice quality. But how do we charge our products using this cable then? Well, you can do it in 2 different ways. If you have a wall charger, for example this Apple wall charger, it's actually compatible with many Android phones, for example, and other USB Type-C products. So you can plug this into that, and this into the wall, of course, and the other end, the USB Type-C end, into a compatible product, for example my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. And when you put this into the wall, this phone will charge with this excellent cable. Really nice. And you can do another thing too. If you don't have a wall charger, you can use a computer, for example, with a USB port or a USB hub, as I have here. So if I plug this in to my USB hub, I can plug this end into my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and the phone starts to charge immediately. So this is really nice. You can use these cables with any computer with a USB port, and you can use it with wall chargers to charge your USB Type-C products. For example, Android phones, many different Android phones. So that's pretty nifty. So these cables from Dongguan Longxun Electronic in China makes really great cables with high quality, and these are made by Haribol. So go check them out on the link down below in the description text. You can buy them from that link. Go and do that. Okay, bye.